like Codey Rocky?
It's very cute and awesome. And I can playfully learn to code with Codey Rockys.
I saw a lot of people actually, they made games. Whenever you have something.
If you want to introduce cutting-edge technologies like AI or IoT in your classroom, I would recommend Codey Rocky. I give pretty much STEAM lessons to kids every day, and Codey Rocky makes my class comprehensive, easy and fun. Codey Rocky comes with a free coding software, students' manuals and teaching guidebook. All this support me a lot in planning and preparing my lessons.
I feel coding is very simple and easy when I'm using Codey Rocky.
My students and I write every week a lot of interesting interactive programs by just dragging and dropping the command blocks. We use the mBlock 5, official Codey Rocky programming language. It is easy to use and students can learn it fast. Codey Rocky has a lot of sensors, and this gives chance to the students to use coding language in the test in the reality.
Get wrecked, noob.
I can know immediately my program is working or not, and if there's any problem, and it's making me a better programmer. And I really wish they were using Codey Rocky.
One of the best things about Codey Rocky is that it enables me to help my students to understand STEAM knowledge fast, and as well to develop their logical thinking, problem-solving skills and creativity. As a teacher who is using Codey Rocky, I would recommend it because it's helpful and playful teaching assistant for your STEAM education.